Yo, what is going on YouTube? Sosa Mendoza here, and I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I decided to come out for a hike today. I've been busy, you know, doing everything I can. But yeah, I came out for a hike just to get y'all some content going and show y'all what's up with me. And yeah. Yeah, so this is the little lake spot. We still got more to hike up, but I just wanted y'all to check this out.
I was telling this person yesterday she came by that I didn't get my list. You know, they get the mail. The turns out it's our mailbox at the house, which I don't check at all because it's the mailbox. So she's like, oh, yes, okay, where's that also? I did last one.
Yeah, so this is the other side of the lake. This is it. You can see all these. This side of it. I think we're coming down from like right over there. But I guess it circles around, but yeah, check it out. This is it. Something slight. But yeah, just wanted to show you all that. Yo guys, I just wanted to take one moment out of the video to just let y'all know what my plans are for the channel in the next upcoming months. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as much as I usually do. It's been pretty busy. But yeah, I plan on getting back on and start uploading and start going for more hikes, finding more things to do. There's not really much I feel like I can do out here in the summer. But my plans for the winter are gonna be a lot of content. Expect a lot of content this winter. Be snowboarding mostly, a lot of snowboarding videos, and probably just a lot of other things too. We'll see what we get into, you know. Just wanted to keep everyone updated with that and let them know like what's going on. And I'm just enjoying this hike right here. It's pretty sick. But yeah, definitely just wanted to keep y'all updated with that, let y'all know what's going on. I've gone mountain biking. Every time I've gone mountain biking and I've recorded footage, it does not come out good whatsoever. So I'm gonna make sure next time I go, if I do go before the summer ends, that I get some good ass footage for y'all. But yeah, you already know, out here enjoying ourselves. But yeah, definitely had to let y'all know. But yeah, yo guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'm sorry it's so short. I just wanted to keep y'all updated with what's going on and what my plans were for the channel. But yeah, this is the end of the trail. Pretty just a short trail, honestly. It wasn't too bad. Just came out here, wanted to record this video, let y'all know what's up. But yeah, thank you for watching. Plan on making more content soon. Hey, if you got any ideas, leave them down in the comments of what I should do out here, you know, and get some content for y'all to see. But yeah, dude, check it out. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day and enjoy the rest.